So this is the TimesTables app. It has a list of 12 numbers, and then when you click each number, then it will actually show the times tables for that number. So 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 12 0. You go back, we can go to 9, and you can see 9 times 0 is 0, 9 times 1. And it'll just do that for numbers up until 12. And this view works if you rotate it here, it should work equally fine. So, yeah. Yep, so it should work equally fine. So you see 2 times tables for 2, then it shows 2 times 0 all the way up until 12. Now it will do the same thing with the tablet layout as well. So I have the tablet here. This is the Pixel C, I believe. So it's going to show, now this one has a little bit different of a layout. On one side you see the list, on the other side you see the fragment. And it shows right here 3 times tables with 3, and it goes up to 12 again. 12 times 12, 144. Yep, and it's a little bit different for the tablet just because bigger device, so it's in a 2-pane layout instead of just that one screen and then the activity like the phone layout was. Now, if I rotate this, if it will rotate, let's see, kind of thinking about rotating right now. It's thinking about it. Alright, so it rotated here, but let's see. I'm not sure if it's going to rotate properly so I can show the rotation. But let's see. Still works in that horizontal layout, in the vertical layout, it looks like. Let's see here. It looks like it's doing it in a vertical, primarily vertical. Maybe auto rotate. Let's see. Let's try that. Yes, so it's going to rotate here. And then, yep, it'll show the same thing. Alright.